Directions for number 2 say simplify each root. So the first thing we're going to do is make a factor tree of each and look for pairs. So you start with any factor pair that multiplies to give us 24. For instance, we could use 8 times 3. If you chose a different factor pair, you'll still get the exact same prime factorization. So every time we have a prime number we circle, 3 is prime, 8 would split as 4 times 2, 2 is prime, and 4 splits as 2 and 2. So everything I have circled are the prime factors, so I'm going to extend the root symbol, and I'm going to group my pairs first. So 24 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So if we look at our product here, we're going to look at pairs. Every time we have a pair, we circle it and cross it out and bring the number of the pair to the outside. Why just a 2? Well, if you ignore the 2 times 3 and just focus on what I circled, 2 times 2 is 4, and the square root of 4 is 2. So what's left inside is a 2 times 3, which is 6. So 6 is the simplified form of square root of 24. Same thing we're going to do for square root of 180, make a factor tree. So start with any two numbers that multiply to give us 180, like 18 times 10. 10 would split as 5 times 2. 5 and 2 are prime. 18 would split as 9 times 2. 2 is prime, and 9 splits as 3 and 3. So what I have circled are all of the prime factors. So let's extend our root symbol. Rewrite 180 as, I'm going to group the pairs first, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. So if I look at my prime factors now, every time we have a pair, we circle it, cross it out, and bring the number of the pair to the outside. Because the square root of 4 is just 2. We have another pair, 3's, circle it, cross it out, bring the number of the pair to the outside. And if you already have a number outside, you're going to multiply any extra numbers that you bring out. So we're actually multiplying the 2 and the 3 together, and what's left inside is a 5. So 2 times 3 is 6, so 6 root 5 is the simplified form of square root of 180.